Cities in the Philippines are classified into highly urbanized cities or component cities. There are 33 highly urbanized cities in the Philippines. The highly urbanized cities or HUCs have a minimum population of 200,000 and an annual income of at least 50 million Philippine pesos. The following are the 33 highly urbanized cities of the Philippines. We have Angeles City, Bacolod City, Baguio City, Butuan City, Cagayan de Oro City, Caloocan City, Cebu City, Davao City, General Santos City, Iligan City, Iloilo City, Lapu-Lapu City, Las Piñas City, Lucena City, Makati City, Malabon City, Mandaluyong City, Mandaue City, Manila City, Marikina City, Muntinlupa City, Navotas City, Olongapo City, Parañaque City, Pasay City, Pasig City, Puerto Princesa City, Quezon City, San Juan City, Tacloban City, Taguig City, Valenzuela City, and Zamboanga City. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.